what's up, my boys? It's your boy Prince Gold back in the house. Right now, and we're heading to my house in Donna. Look at that big storm cloud right there. Big storm cloud. And there's actually rain here. Ouch. And since we're going at a fast speed, the rain hurts like hell. So today I'm gonna hurt myself for a video. Not original, but you're still gonna like it. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna pull my hand back sometimes to see the rain sweater. Come on, man, where's the rain? Where's the rain? I don't feel the rain yet. I actually don't. Oh, hang on. Oh, there it is. It's starting to. Let's see if there's any droplets. Any new droplets. Dang, we are so freaking close. We're so close to that storm cloud. How is there no rain? Look in the rear view mirror. It's right behind us. How is there no rain? Man. Look above us. Also, this part of the video is not very, you're a bit queasy about heights, so I recommend do not look at this part. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at all that right above us, and there's no rain at all. It looks like there's a tornado over there. No rain. Oh, I feel the rain. It's coming. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Whoa. Ow. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right, no splatter, but that one hurted. It's like I'm getting shot with, little mini BB guns. Alright. Well, guys, that's the end of today's video. Tune in for the next one. Subscribe and like the bell button. Bye.